Have you ever looked at your life and asked, why is this happening to me? Maybe it was a breakup that shattered you. Maybe you lost someone, or something, or yourself. Maybe you're stuck in the same cycle, same arguments, same struggles, same pain. It can feel like the universe is unfair, like you're being punished. But what if it's not punishment? What if it's a message? In Buddhism, karma isn't about reward or punishment. It's about cause and effect, reflection and resonance. Karma is the mirror of your soul. And when you understand it, not fear it, you begin to heal. Today, we'll explore what karma truly means, why karma isn't about punishment, but reflection, how your past actions shape your emotional reality, the 3 layers of karmic healing, and how to transform pain into peace through awareness, action, and compassion. So sit with this, because what you're about to learn could shift your entire life. Part 1. What karma really is. Let's start with what karma is not. Karma is not a cosmic revenge system. It's not a scoreboard for good versus evil. It's not do good, do bad, get punished. That's simplistic and honestly unhelpful. Karma in Buddhist thought is far more nuanced. It's energetic, it's psychological, it's spiritual. Karma literally means action, but action doesn't stop at behavior. Karma includes intention, what fuels your action, thought, your inner world, speech, the way you use words, and deed, your choices and actions. Every thought you plant grows. Every word you speak vibrates. Every action you take leaves a residue in the mind. So karma is less about what happens to you and more about how you relate to what happens. That's the key. Part 2. Karma is a mirror, not a judge. Think of karma like a mirror. It doesn't judge you, it reflects you. If you carry unresolved anger, that energy shapes how you perceive the world. It filters your reality. You'll attract conflict, misinterpret intentions, and feel under attack, even when no one is aiming at you. Not because the world is cruel, but because your lens is. Karma reveals the wounds you haven't healed. It doesn't punish you. It shows you where you're stuck and invites you to awaken. That's what the Buddha taught. Karma isn't fate. Karma is feedback. It's life speaking back to your energy. So if you keep attracting the same pain, it's not that you're cursed. It's that life is asking you to look deeper. Part 3. The 3 layers of karmic healing. To shift karma, you must first understand its layers. Here are 3 levels where karmic transformation happens. 1. Cognitive karma. The story you tell yourself. This is the mental loop. It's the thoughts you keep repeating. I'm not good enough. Everyone leaves me. Life is always hard. These beliefs shape your emotional karma. They lead to actions based on fear, scarcity, or mistrust. Healing this level begins with mindfulness. Observe your inner dialogue. Notice your patterns. Ask, who told me this was true? Then challenge it. Your karma changes when your story changes. 2. Emotional karma, the wounds you carry. Unhealed pain becomes your emotional frequency. It echoes in your relationships, your habits, your triggers. Maybe you've been abandoned, betrayed, shamed. That pain becomes your filter, so you anticipate abandonment. You sabotage closeness. You seek validation through overgiving or control. This is emotional karma playing out. Healing this layer requires compassion. Forgive yourself for how you coped. Feel the grief that was buried. Hold space for the child within you who learned to survive by shutting down. Then offer that part of you what it never received. Safety, love, acceptance. 3. Behavioral karma. the cycles you repeat. We are what we repeatedly do. Karma shows up in habits, how you respond under stress, how you treat others, how you self-soothe. If you react with anger, avoidance, or addiction, that becomes karmic residue. But it's not fixed. You can break the loop, but you must bring consciousness to your choices. Ask yourself, is this reaction aligned with my healing or my wounding? Change begins with the smallest consistent action. Choose love over fear. Choose pause over panic. Choose truth over defense. These micro shifts redirect your karmic current. Part 4. How to start healing your karma today. Healing karma isn't a one-time fix. It's a lifestyle of awareness. Here are 4 steps you can practice daily. Step 1. Sit in stillness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day in silence. Observe your thoughts. Watch what arises without judgment. You can't shift karma you won't face. Stillness brings clarity. Step 2. Practice metta, loving kindness meditation. Send love to yourself. Then send it to someone you love. Then to someone you struggle with. This trains the heart to soften karmic tightness. It dissolves resentment, blame, and self-hate. Step 3. Write to your past self. Pick an age where a major wound occurred. Write a letter to that version of you. Validate their pain. Offer them forgiveness and love. This reprograms emotional karma. Step 4. Take one conscious action. Each day, do one thing that aligns with the person you want to become. It could be speaking kindly to someone, setting a healthy boundary, pausing before reacting, offering help without needing recognition. This rewires your behavioral karma. Small, consistent acts of awareness ripple far. Part 5. Final insight. Karma is your greatest teacher. The Buddha said, "You are the owner of your actions. You inherit your actions. You are born of your actions." This isn't a curse. It's a liberation. Because if you created it, you can change it. You are not bound by your past karma. You're invited to grow beyond it. Let life reflect your love, not your pain. Let karma be your mirror, not your prison. Let healing begin with awareness and continue with action. Because at the heart of Buddhism is not fear of consequence, but freedom through consciousness. So ask yourself now, what karmic pattern are you ready to heal? Leave a comment, share your reflection. Your story could awaken someone else. And remember, your karma is not your enemy, it's your awakening. Subscribe for more Buddhist wisdom and life-changing reflection. Your journey of healing begins now.